Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called TaskAI, which is the world's first and only app that creates AI run Fiverr-Like freelance marketplace that sells AI generated services like content writing, copywriting, images and chatbots, audios, voiceovers, translations and videos in just 60 seconds. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus amazing bonuses totally free worth rupees $5,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started. So get access to it right now, enter my coupon code and get special discount from my side.